Let's fix incoming calls if they're not working on your iPhone. Now, there are a few different steps that you can walk through to get any kind of incoming call to ring. You'll be able to hear it, you'll be able to see that it's calling, and you'll be able to pick it up. Now, the first thing that we'll do is a couple of different things with the buttons. So you can see on the left side of your iPhone, I'm going to bring that toggle towards me, and you can see at the very top, it switches it to ringer mode from silence mode. This is a lot of times people forget this button even exists, and they'll leave it on silent mode, but just switching it, toggling towards you will turn it to ringer mode and a lot of times help with those incoming calls. The next thing we're going to do is take these buttons here and we're going to mash that volume up button all the way up. So we have silent mode turned off, we have the volume turned all the way on. Now we're going to check a few different things as well. Let's swipe down from the top right. And on here you can see I have a focus mode turned on. If you do, potentially that is silencing any kind of incoming calls you're getting. So just toggle that focus mode off, like do not disturb or something like that. Make sure that is turned off, and then you should be able to get and receive any kind of calls. Now the next thing that we're going to do is in the settings. So let's hop into settings, and we're going to scroll down until we get to phone and tap on phone. There are a couple things on here. One is that potentially you don't have great signal, which is where Wi-Fi calling really helps. So let's tap on Wi-Fi calling on here. And if this is turned off, just toggle that on. That will use your Wi-Fi to help boost your signal and allow you to have clear and crisp calls when you have good Wi-Fi but don't have good cell signal or wherever you are. So make sure that is turned on, and then the next thing that we'll do is we'll go down and you can see silence unknown callers. Let's tap on that and make sure this is turned off, because potentially if somebody's calling you and you're not in your contacts list, then if you have this turned on, it will silence any kind of callers. It won't come through and ring. It'll send them straight to voicemail. So make sure that is turned off. And then by going through all of these steps, turn off your phone and then just have somebody else try to call your phone, and it should ring. It should work as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.